Back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to turn on or off dark theme in your Ace Crypto application. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Ace application on your device. Also make sure that you are logged into your account. You can use your PIN here to log in, or you can also use your password here. After typing your information, click on Login button to log into your account. Now, you can see three lines which is at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. Now, at the second last options, you will see Settings tab. Click on Settings tab. Now, scroll down to the bottom of this page and you can see Developer Mode. Sometimes the Developer Mode is disabled by default, so you need to simply switch this toggle on. After that, you can see dark theme option. If you turn off this toggle, your theme will be white, and if you turn on this, you will get a dark theme on your application. So that is how you can turn on or off dark theme in your application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.